And welcome back. Arnett Gardens will be looking to stretch their unbeaten run in the Red Stripe Premier League when they play away to struggling Harbour View as the second round of the competition kicks off on Sunday.
The last time that Arnett Gardens tasted defeat was on April 5 this year. Since then, they have gone 17 matches unbeaten. It's a different story for Harbour View as the Stars of the East has suffered more defeats than games won this year. They have scored just 7 times from 11 outings, that's 14 fewer than Arnett, but the title holders has conceded 1 more than Harbour View, who was let in just 6.
It's always a positive, despite of where we go, it's always a positive. So we're looking forward to that game.
With the second place, the Portmore United not playing until Monday. Third place, the UWI could take advantage to move up a place. They will play away to Waterhouse, who has only registered 1 victory, but drew their last 2 games on a new coach, Donovan Duque.
A total of about 5 chances we have given up and created around 26 chances in 3 games, and that is important for us. We have only lost once, and I'm very confident that we'll definitely put on a good showing against University.
4th place, Tivoli Gardens will head to the west to face Mobay United, who has a game in hand.